Oh no no no, I got you in my sight, bitch. 'Cause when you fuck around with the baked beans army, you find out! Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. So, this is HotCuppaCrypto, or more like hot cup of crap. This silly billy over here has sold a total of 36.29 BNB, which amounts to $21,500, all while telling his followers that I'm compounding like crazy. Well, your day has come. And while you're watching this video, I want you to keep in mind that this little silly billy over here is trying to build a Web3 company. So, do you think that he will be an honest and good representative for the crypto industry? Because after doing my research, I sure as hell don't. Little grifter boy. But before I jump into exposing all of his lies, I just want to go over his wallet really quick. So we click on his baked beans referral code. We copy the address, we head over to BSC scan. So this is the contract for baked beans. We're gonna open a new window, paste in this grifter's address, just like that. We're gonna head back over to the baked beans contract, copy the last digits, go over to his wallet, use the find function, and we're gonna go by view all transactions. We're gonna head down and put in the 100 max. Now let's see here. Okay, 3 hours ago he sold. How much did he sell? 0.05 BNB. Good, he's starting to get drained out. Before that, okay, 4 hours ago he sold again. 0.04. The dude is scared. He knows that he knows his days are numbered, so he's trying to drain as fast as possible. Spineless fuck. So here is again a sell 6 hours ago. Sell 7 hours ago. Sell 9 hours, 10 hours ago. So he's selling like crazy right now. He wanna get out because he knows what's coming. 20 hours ago, 22 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 33 hours ago, 34 hours ago, 36 hours ago, 39 hours ago. You get the idea. Look at all these fucking sells, dude. Sell, 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 like all of these just fucking sells. And this is just the first page. Here he compounded, okay, over one day. Let's head over to the next page right here. Here he compounded as well. And here, but then again, in total he has compounded under 10 times. And he has withdrawn, yeah, maybe 10 times already during the past 2 days. Like I said, while you're watching this video, he has drained $21,500 out of the baked beans contract, and he's trying to exit out as soon as possible. Now let me pull out my magnifying glass and expose this fucking cheat over here. The Ben Shaw the Bandit. So, like I said, he got in on April 22nd right here. He first bought in for 0.33 BNB. He checked everything is working as it should, so he put in an additional 0.48 BNB. He uploaded his first video on April 23rd, basically telling you, oh, get in this project, blah blah blah. I'm the first one making a video on this project, which is a lie. You already know it was Crypto fucking Holger who did the first video. on April 22nd when the TVL was 5 BNB. That's why you want to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and if you join my Telegram group, you got the announcement even earlier. The second video the Ben Shot Bandit uploaded was on April 24th, where he claims that I've only been compounding.
We will go over the optimal strategy as well in this video, but I have been only compounding so far, so every 60 seconds you can click this rebake button.
Which in fact is a lie if we check BSC scan. This is the first day that he got in, April 23rd, and he already sold on April 23rd, the same day that he uploaded his first video, and he sold for 1.62 BNB. Then after uploading the video on April 24th, he sold again for 1.54 BNB while preaching have only been compounding. I don't know, are they like clicking the wrong button or something? Either they're lying or they don't know the difference between bake and rebaking, which they clearly do because in the videos they tell you to rebake 6 days a week and only claim once a week. The third video that he uploaded was on April 26th. The hair goes crazy in this one. Now if we check BSC scan again, we can see that the day before he uploaded he actually sold again for 2.37 BNB. He then proceeded to sell again the same day that he uploaded the video on April 26th, right here. Oh sorry, I spoke too soon. He actually sold 2 times April 25th. Here he sold an additional 0.4144 BNB. And then he sold again on April 26th when he uploaded the video. So he sold 4.57 BNB right here, same day that he uploaded the video. Here he claims again that he was the first one to cover this project. No you weren't, mate, no you weren't. He then proceeds to claim that you must use the 6-to-1 strategy.
And this is the goal, guys, to increase your beans as much as possible. So we are compounding like crazy every single day here. So the way this works, if there is money in the TVL, then you will always get paid. So that is how it works. Remember, you compound and compound as much as you can, and click the rebate button for 6 days, and then you can click eat beans once every single week, guys.
Jesus Christ, you can't make this shit up. In this video that he uploaded on April 26th as well, he says that he is gonna deposit $500 and he has deposited over $2,000 now, which is funny because he has already withdrawn $4,598 US in today's BNB price. So very stunning and brave. Let's give him a nice applaud. Very brave that you deposited 2,000 but withdrew over double that. I don't know why you didn't mention that, but hey, you know how they are.
30 new beans, and this is the goal, guys, to increase your beans as much as possible. So we are compounding like crazy every single day here. Now, on top of that, we are also going to deposit another $500 right now in order to maximize these beans, okay? So we have deposited a total of over $2,000 into baked beans. Now, let's deposit $500. So that is 0.82 BNB here. Okay, let's deposit that right here into this. Okay, so we deposit that here into this section. That is 0.82 BNB, and that doesn't. Are you ready? Let's bake beans now and deposit another $500 into this passive income generating machine, guys, as early as possible. So we now have 8,036 beans now.
Now the 5th video that he uploaded was on May 2nd, as we can see right here, where he sips on some bean juice. Bean juice. How cute.
Also, take a sip of your juice, guys. If you are wondering what this is bean juice. Oh, yes. Yes, guys, this is baked beans juice.
How about you have a sniff of my asshole? In this video as well, he says we keep compounding.
Earning $4,000 this time at the end of every single day. The main reason for this is because we keep compounding. This is growing our daily earnings and our beans.
Because we keep compounding. Let's check if he kept compounding. So this page only goes to April 26th. Let's head over to the first page. Scroll down. sell eggs. April 27th, he sold 5 BNB. And he sold again on April 29th, 5.4 BNB. He compounded for 2 days, so... Oh, sorry. He compounded for 1 day. So, he compounded for 1 day. I guess that counts as we keep compounding. We keep compounding. What an absolute liar, bro. Dude sells 10 BNB worth 6,242 USD, compounds for 1 day, and then says in his video, we keep compounding. And the final video that he uploads is on May 6th, where he claims we are on day 7, which is the day we withdraw. So he supposedly does a live claim here, but we all know from BSC scan he has been selling pretty much every day. Let's head over to BSC scan again and check how many days that he sold. So May 2nd was the day that he uploaded the video. On May 4th he sold 11.6 BNB. On May 5th he sold... Yep, let's check that one. 1.5 BNB. On May 6th he sold 0.56 BNB. On May 6th he sold again. On May 6th he sold an additional 2 more times. Let's check those again. May 6th 0.77 BNB and 0.59 BNB. And if I have missed anything, please go over to his BSC scan, check his wallet, and let me know if I missed any transactions. But we can see he continues to sell on May 7th. Let's check that one. 0.43 BNB. Sells on May 7th. Sells on May 7th again. Sells on May 7th again. Sells on May 7th again and again. Yeah, pretty much after this he's only selling. Because he knows that his days are numbered. Absolute scum of the earth, fucking rat. And you little hot cup of crap rat boy, you fucked with the wrong crowd. So everyone watching this video, you know what to do. Let the people know what this dude is really about. Now fortunately he has a smaller following. Please don't go and give that rat boy any more money. Anyway, before I sign off, I just want to thank you everyone. My channel has grown like crazy during the past month. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. You guys are fucking awesome. So if you like the content, please like the video, comment, share it around. Let's expose these lying ass grifters. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.